All right, so we have a layer with all 6 of our shapes. We need to move these shapes to their own layer to do a clipping mask later on. So after you go out and take your pictures and you come back and you add all these cool effects to make it look like a comic book, we want to make sure they fit within these boxes, and we're going to do a clipping mask for that. But in order to do that, these shapes have to be on their own layer. Have to be on their own layer. So this is how we're going to do it. Over here on our toolbar again, I'm going to go down below the polygon lasso tool. I'm going to hold down, and I want to make sure I get the magic wand tool. All right, magic wand tool. I'm going to click on my first shape, upper left. I'm just going to click in it. You can see there's these little marching ants. It selected that black shape. I want to cut it. Command X. It's going to disappear. Then I need a new layer. And then you can see if I come up to Edit, Paste Special, and I have Paste in place, that's going to paste it on the new layer in the same spot we cut it from. The shortcut for that is Shift, Command V. All right, it looks the same, but you'll notice over here on my layers, right, it's missing from right there and it's here. I can even make this a little bigger. I'm going to go, I have my layers panel. I'm going to go right here to the options, and I'm going to pick panel options and thumbnail size. I'm going to make it bigger just so you can see. I'm going to click OK. Hopefully that way now you can see it's cut from there and it's there on the new layer. Now this is really important. In Photoshop, if I were to try to select this next square right now, it wouldn't work because I'm not on the active layer. I need to be back down on the layer that has all the shapes. Now I click on it, Command X, I do another new layer, and Shift Command V to paste in place. I go back to my layer with all my shapes on it, click on the next one, Command X, new layer, Shift Command V, so on and so forth. Go ahead and make sure that you have 6 layers with all of your shapes or all of your little panels on their own layer, and then you'll be done with your template setup.